back to the Gould's Gaming and Tech channel, and again I am giving you guys a Tesla update. Let's get into it, baby. So the news, unfortunately the news for today is that Tesla yet again has increased their prices by $500. Yes, I think that it's about 3 price increases this year already, so that makes a total of $1,500 they've increased. So originally at the beginning of this year, the Tesla, at least the Model 3, was about 37,000. Let's go to this purchase price. Yeah, I bought mine at 37,990. Since then, it has went up to 38,990 to 39,490. Now, why is this happening? Why is this happening? This is not good news. Estimated delivery 6 to 8 weeks. Who knows if that's true or not? But this is not good news for the buyer because Tesla is on a tear right now. Tesla is selling like crazy, and it's just increasing. It's just increasing. They are the top electric vehicle company. It might even be the top vehicle company in the world right now. Now, if you go to the Tesla website, they will even tell you, they will show you how well they're doing. Their Q1 vehicle production and deliveries, look at this, as of April 2nd, that Model 3 and Model Y they produced over 180,000. They've delivered 182,000 of them. How are these numbers different? I don't know. But they are selling like crazy, man. So they are trying to compensate for having to push out so many vehicles, probably hiring more workers, opening new factories, everything. They're slowly but surely increasing the price of that Model 3 and Model Y because that is the hot commodity right now. They know that those are their top sellers, like by far. It's a wide gap on how different the Model S and X sales are to the Model 3 and Y. As you can see, their production is blank for these right here, but these are selling like crazy. So I would highly recommend, if you're interested in a Tesla and you're wondering, maybe I might wait until the price goes down or that tax credit gets officially signed off that Biden's trying to administer, I would say buy now if you are interested and you're actually serious about buying a Tesla, because the price, from the way it looks, is going to just keep going up and up and up. That tax credit that you might be waiting on, that $7,500 or $7,000 tax credit, don't worry. If you buy it this year, if it's approved, when you file your taxes, by the time you file your taxes next year, that tax credit will be already approved. You will qualify for that tax credit. So this video is going to be pretty short. I just want you guys to see that update with Tesla, and just to let you know the prices are steady going up. So I want you guys to get it while you can. But just on another note, you guys have been overwhelmingly supportive of the channel so far, as checking out the videos. As you can see, I mean, I just posted this video like a week ago. It's already at 2.4 thousand, 500, which, I appreciate whatever support it is. 11 or 100 views, 600, 730, 446. Obviously, you watch what you watch. If you like something, you like it, you're gonna watch it. That's cool. One thing, if you don't know, I actually do have a full-time job, believe it or not. 84 hours every 2 weeks. So that's about 42 hours a week. It's a lot. That's like maxing myself out. So I get these videos in when I do have my free time. So if you don't see 2 videos every week or even a video every week, it's because I'm either working or I'm exhausted from work. So when I am able to push these videos out, is because I can actually carve out the time to push them out to you guys. But a big part of that is you guys supporting the channel, supporting the videos, subscribing, liking the videos, commenting. All that stuff definitely helps. It lets me know I'm doing a good job, and it kind of motivates me to keep going. So if you like any piece of the content I put out, I just urge you guys, just continue to support, hit that thumbs up, just go to the channel and subscribe. That lets me know that what I'm doing is actually working, and you guys actually enjoy the content. So, as you see, there's 2.4 thousand, 500, 100, 600. People are watching the video, so I don't know if you just dislike the video. If you dislike it, it is what it is. You can thumbs down it all you want. That's great. But if you're actually watching the videos and you're enjoying it, I urge you guys, please hit that subscribe button, because it definitely helps support the channel. It motivates me and it helps me push out more videos. I kind of get a grasp on what you guys want to see. So just to give you guys an update on what's going on with my Tesla I ordered. So I recently received an email today saying that my trade-in offer has expired. I guess it's been 30 days since I ordered it, and today is the 7th, so I guess I ordered it April 7th. So I had to update my odometer reading so they can, I guess, resubmit the offer. So that's another thing. If you're ordering the Tesla and you're doing your trade-in, I don't know if it's gonna be delayed or not, or whatever the case may be, but just know if you're trading in a vehicle, your trade-in offer that they offer you expires in 30 days. So you will have to resubmit your odometer reading. That offer, which if it's on the high end, it will start to depreciate every time you go over 1,000 miles. So like I was saying, so you can see my trade-in area right here. It says that my trade-in evaluation is in progress. So and just to update, every time I click on my account and I check this estimated delivery date, this thing changes. It literally said, I think, May 28th to June 17th earlier today. I'm assuming that because they sent this trade-in offer again, or for me to update it, that's why it changed back to the 28th. But I'm imagining once this gets processed, this will go back down, because this keeps changing like every day. But anyways, like I said, subscribe, share, like, comment, hit that bell for notifications. Like I tell you guys all the time, your support is greatly appreciated. I do not take it for granted. I love you guys. I appreciate the support. Keep watching the videos. I'm gonna keep uploading the videos. Just like I said, let me know that you guys are supporting the channel. Like I said, I'm trying to do big things with this channel, and your support definitely lets me know I'm headed in the right direction. So I'll see you on the next video. Peace. Let's get it.